Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the apps and audio route are ready. Open Vtube Studio and Discord and select a virtual audio device like virtual audio cable or voice meter. Once done, set Vtube Studio's audio output to that virtual device so your avatar audio is routed into the system. Make sure Discord's input is not your physical mic yet. Instead, you'll choose the virtual audio device in Discord settings. This creates the bridge, allowing avatar audio to reach your Discord. Next, configure the mixing layer. If you want camera output, add Vtube Studio as a virtual camera or use NDI into OBS, otherwise just pass audio. In OBS, capture the virtual audio device as an input and enable audio monitoring to the correct device. Then open Discord, go to Voice and Video, and select the same virtual device as your input device so Discord receives the mixed audio. Adjust gain and add a noise gate or compressor. This keeps levels clear and prevents feedback or clipping when you speak. Finally, join a Discord voice channel and test the connection. Use a second account or ask a friend to confirm they hear your avatar audio and any desktop sounds you intend to share. Make sure to mute your physical mic if you don't want double audio and consider push-to-talk to avoid leak. If it doesn't work, check sample rates match across apps, disable exclusive mode in audio device properties, and verify no loopback is producing echo. Once corrected, your Vtube Studio is live in Discord.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.